Hey devs, Be Kind here and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your own owner door system in your own Roblox games. So first of all, we're going to insert a value in the player that joins the game that will determine whether or not the player is owning property. So let's create a new function that will invoke when there is a new player in the game. And then we'll be inserting a new boolean value. So follow me as I type. Oopsies. Yeah, I always make that mistake. So anyways, we got that script there, so now we'll create a script in the owner door, which will show when there is which will activate when the player touches the gate, and if there's no owner, then they'll be the owner, and then that's how it works. So we're going to create a function that will run when the gate is touched by a player. So then this if statement will determine if the part that touched it is a valid player in the game. So then after we create that function, we're going to determine whether or not they are owning property. So we're gonna create a variable that will get the player. So then get player that owns property value is false, then it will switch to true. But for now, this will be saved in our time. We're just gonna make another statement before to check if there is no owner, and then it'll just say that, and then there you go. I'll actually put it right in front, right up to the top, to make the display show that there is no owner. So property. So then once we got that there, so then we're going to if get player dot owns property dot value is false, then we're going to make that value true to indicate that the player owns their own property. And then there will be and then we'll make it so that the gates turns. So we're gonna actually do it so that we're actually gonna put it to 0.75 instead of full transparent. So equals get player dot name. And once you do that, and then we're gonna do script, and then we will make it so that the owner billboard GUI will indicate that owner's name. So property, and then get player. We're gonna use display name for the owner's name. So then there we go. So, and then we're gonna create a new function that will make it so that if the owner leaves the game, then it will make it so that it's vacant. So we're gonna go dot owner name. So we're gonna make it like this. Then it will, and then it will make it vacant. So script parent owner value, then true, and then that will go back to nobody's property. Nobody's property. And there we then just checking. Or make it so that we're going to use some printing. You don't have to include those printing, but I'll just do the printing. Whoops, I meant to say printer. I'll add the prints, but you don't have to add the print if you don't want to, okay? So then owns this property. And then print owner p.name has left. Property is now vacant. So there we go. Let's give that a try. I'm working the right door right now, so once I hit that door, it'll change to my name. Then Be Kind now owns the property. When I leave the game, it will show in the thing that owner Be Kind 000 has left. So now it's vacant. So we will be cloning the script into the other owner door and see how it will work when the owner's trying to own another property but realize they already own one. So then there we go. And now owns the property, and then it says that I already own a property, meaning it won't work. Now let's test in multiplayer. Let me try multiplayer mode. They both say nobody's property, so okay, wait a minute. Okay, there we go. I thought the other application wasn't responding, so anyways, let's move the windows. And then, as you can see here, it shows property owners. And then there you go, we both own property. So if a property owner leaves the game, over there it'll say nobody's property. So there we go. That concludes the tutorial on how to make your own property owning system. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like, comment, and make a friendly comment, and then subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.